Hey everyone, I am Neil Vagasia and today I am going to introduce our project QuizBee, which is an AI-based quiz generation web application. So before moving further, I am going to introduce our team members. So it's me, Kishan Zalavadia, our project guides, Professor Archana Vyas ma'am, Dr. Vipul Dapi sir, and Dr. Rashid Prajapati sir. And for any queries, contact us at it.ddo.se.in@gmail.com. So let's understand the current quiz generation systems problem. So there is one student who is an active learner and he wants to assess himself on the topics which were covered in today's lectures. So what he will do? He will just surf the internet and find the relevant questions and attempt those questions. And we all know it is very time consuming process, as well as the it is very high chance to have the same questions on the different websites, right? So same for the educators who wants to generate the engaging quizzes. It is also very difficult and time consuming task. Even if they want to create 10 or 15 questions, it will take a lot of time. And same for the quiz evaluation of the student responses. It is also very time consuming, right? So to tackle that problem, we have developed a full stack web application, QuizBee, which can generate the dynamic questions within a few seconds. So here are some UI screenshots of our system. So this one is the form. Uh, have user have to fill the form for the sharing as well as the self-assessment purposes. So user have to enter the topic, a number of the question, and have to set the type of the questions, and from here have to set the difficulty level. So if it is for the self-assessment part, self-assessment page will be appear. Otherwise, if it is for the sharing purposes, this modification page will be appear, in which here are some instructions written over here. User can add optional description over here. Also, the user can able to modify the generated question answer as well as the options, right? And here is the remove button. If user find it is not relevant question for the quiz, user can directly remove it from there. This is the screenshot for the assessment page. This one is for the MCQ assessment. We can see this is the name of the topic. Here we can see the timer, counter for the correct and incorrect options. This is the actual question and the options for that. Same for the fill in the blank type question. Here only difference is the user have to add the correct answer in this provided text field, right? So some core features of the developed system is the AI based quiz generation. So we have used the OpenAI's GPT 3.5 turbo large language model to generate these dynamic quizzes. And the second one is the customizable quizzes. So we have seen that user just have to provide the necessary information about the quiz. So it is very customizable, right? And the other feature is the quiz sharing functionality, in which user can able to share the generated quiz with others using one unique URL. Okay. So some other features includes the user authentication feature, mailing functionality for the reset password as well as the sharing quiz, and the statistical analysis. This includes the result analysis for the user and the whole system analysis for the admins. And this one is the basic workflow of the system. The query of the user we are sending to the ChatGPT. If it is for the self-assessment part, we are storing that generated response in the database. After storing it, we are retrieving it. Then user can able to attempt the quiz, and we are storing the user answer in the database again. And after storing it, we are analyzing the actual answer with the user's answer, and again store the evaluation in the database. And if it is for the sharing purpose, user can able to modify the quiz, and again the quiz will be stored in the database, and one unique URL will be provided to that user, which the user can share it to the others, and this whole process will take place. So it is very straightforward workflow diagram, right? And this is the architecture diagram of our system. We are sending the user input and the system prompt as well as the output prompt to the ChatGPT. System prompt basically includes the instruction to the ChatGPT, like what ChatGPT has to do with the prompt, and output prompt includes the specific output format in which we are supposed to receive the response from them. So once we get the response from ChatGPT, where we are extracting the whole quiz, this quiz contains the multiple question objects. These all things we are storing into the database. After storing it, we are getting the unique ID for each quizzes, and from that unique ID, we are generating a unique URL for the sharing purpose. For technologies we have used to develop this system, so in the development we have used the NextJS for the front end as well as for the back end. We have integrated the ChatGPT's API to generate the dynamic quizzes, and we have used the MongoDB for storing user authentication detail, quiz metadata, questions, and the user responses. And for deployment, we have used the Vercel platform. So that is it, all about our project. If you have any kind of queries, please reach out to us at it.edu.se.in@gmail.com. Thank you.